There's something quiet in the way he's sitting right now. Not restless, not fearful, just tired. His coat looks heavy on him, uneven in places, holding on to things it no longer needs. He blinks slowly, as if waiting for relief he doesn't know how to ask for. You can sense a little discomfort in his body. Not pain, just the weight of buildup over time. The kind that makes movement feel slower than it should. So everything begins gently, with patience, with stillness. Hands move slowly nearby, letting him notice the presence, letting him decide it's safe. There's no rush here, only calm breathing and the soft sound of fur shifting as he relaxes just a little. As the first touch settles in, the coat begins to respond. A brush passes through carefully, lifting what's loose without pulling. You can hear a faint, dry whisper as tangled fur separates. Each stroke leaves behind a small change, lighter, smoother, easier. His shoulders lower slightly, as if he's realizing this doesn't need to be stressful. Warm water follows later, quiet and steady. It moves across his back in a gentle stream, darkening the coat before washing it clean. The sound is soft, rhythmic. Foam forms slowly, worked in with fingertips that never press too hard. As it rinses away, the fur lies flatter, cleaner, breathing again. He stands calmly now, trusting the moment. Air hums softly as drying begins, not rushed, not loud. The coat lifts and fluffs little by little, each pass bringing back warmth and shape. You can see the texture changing.